these jeans were way too baggy. And when I looked up how to turn baggy jeans into skinny jeans, I kept saying how to turn skinny jeans into baggy jeans. So first thing you want to do is take the pants, lay them flat, and lay some pants that have a slimmer opening, not such a wide gap. Lay those up there, and then what you want to do is make a mark. So you know how much that you need to take off. And then on the outside seam, you make a mark where your knee is, and you make a mark, you should have made a mark of how much you need to cut off. And then there's a much more precise way to go about this, but you technically are going to sew, you're going to cut that part up and sew it back together. Now I also just cut up a little more this way, just to take some more off the length of it. But as you just saw, I can possibly go ahead and taper more of it as well. I can make it even skinnier. But I just wanted to make sure I was able to get it done, and that possibly holds just a bit. I stitched it up, not even a straight stitch. It's just trying to hold it together just so I can see, put it on, but came out pretty decent. I'll probably take a little more off, maybe, and maybe fix some more up within the crotch area, and then design and paint on it some more, but I can at least wear it outside without looking crazy.